First of all, I would like to send my greetings to all the judges of China ASEAN New Smart City Innovative and Entrepreneurship Competition. We are WeUnique, and we're students from Ho Chi Minh University of Economics and Finance, Vietnam. It's such an honor for us to represent for Vietnam to participate in this contest, and we will try our best to bring a wonderful smart city ideas for Nanning City. So smart city is the one that uses information and communication technology to improve the operational efficiency, share the information with the public, and provide a better quality of the citizen welfare and the government services. One of the latest trends coming out of China is the artificial intelligence and the big data. Therefore, in this video, we are going to present a plan of developing an integrated and innovative digital transport system for Nanning City. But before we get right into the main part of the video, I would like to introduce two means of transportation that mainly contribute to our plan: the bullet train and the automatic car.
As you all know, bullet trains use a series of advanced technologies to not only achieve high speeds but also meet the standards of safety and comfort. That is, the bullet train has become one of the important means of transportation with tremendous benefits to people live. Compared to the conventional trains, which usually release dense smoke, the bullet train releases no toxic air into the environment. Bullet trains are multi-units powered by electricity, which is capable of accelerating and decelerating rapidly. The carriages are fitted with an airtight CO2 and stable air pressure when entering the tunnel at high speed.
An electric car is the one that is propelled by one or more electric motors using energy stored in the rechargeable batteries. The electricity of the car can be charged at the charging stations in both houses and public areas. Compared to the internal combustion engine vehicles, electric cars are quieter and have no exhaust emissions, which is very environmentally friendly. Recently, electric cars have become so popular and so rampant since they bring enormous benefit to the environment and the people, which is absolutely suitable for smart cities.
People have got familiar with traditional vehicles for a long time. However, I believe this is the right time to open a new era for transportation by using electric vehicles. And there is no better place than Nanning City to implement this technology. Why Nanning, you may ask? Well, back in 2020, there were 86 projects about smart city being held in display, which proved Nanning has the potential to be the city that can implement this thing. Well, back to electric vehicles. This can be the key answer for the efficient and environmentally friendly that we've been looking for so long. It can reduce up to 80% carbon dioxide compared to traditional cars and up to 6 times more efficient than gasoline. Well, wasn't that a great number? In fact, even though the past 2 years was a tough call for every single one of us in every country due to the pandemic, however, people still get their investment in this project up and up through time, which proved the potential of this field.
So, WeUnique is an app that helps you manage your vehicles and many more. For example, if you get a vehicle and you sign up to our app, it will show you the information of what you have rented. For example, you got yourself a electric car, for example. It will show on the app that, first of all, how many percentage of battery does your electric car have. It will show you where is the nearest charging location. It will show you contact information just in case anything happens. And most importantly, it will show you the best way, the best route to get to your destination without the hectic traffic jam. Once you sign up to our app, the WeUnique, we will send you a physical ID card that looks like this. So, what does this card do? First of all of your money, the desired amount of money that you willing to deposit to this card, it will be here. This is your all-time favorite. This is your all-purpose card. It will pay for your, traveling tickets. On the long run, we will try to develop a international bullet train system that goes not just inside China, inside Nanning, but it will help you travel through other countries like Vietnam, Thailand, Laos, for example. What if you don't have a bank account to deposit your money into this? So we will have charging location, charging station, and you can put your banknote in, or you can personally go to one of our location, one of our affiliate, and tell them to do the deposit for you. As long as you have cash, there's money for you can spend, or you can send money on this card. The neat thing about this card is that it has a special chip and it has a special code. So that means you have different, each of you have different ID code on this customer ID, of course. So our app will not collect or sell your information to other third-party companies, so you don't have to worry about us collecting your information. With the special chip on this card, you will be able to pay, right, like I said. However, the special thing about this is that you don't have to actually pull the card out of your wallet or your pocket. All you need to do is to walk right through the station, and the sensors there will identify itself. It will identify your card, it will tell you whether you have money or not, and it will automatically withdraw the fees, the needed fees or costs from the card, not from your bank account or not directly from other account, debit or credit card. So this will help with reducing physical contact of your hand, your phone, for example, with your physical surrounding, which will help reduce the physical contact and helps stop and reduce the infection rates from which we have learned from the case COVID-19.
Our business model was B2C at first, which means we will provide the apps for the customer to customize and control their vehicles. As the years goes on, we will see ourselves to cooperate with local startups in China to create our own hardware. By doing this, we will have access and the control we need to provide more features to the customer in order to satisfy them. From that moment, we will turn into B to B to C. And by doing that, we will open a new era for transportation. And Nanning is the best place to implement this technology.
So we have just presented to you our plan of turning Nanning City into a smart city. Should you need more information, you can view our PowerPoint slides in the essay, which are attached for this video. In conclusion, we come up with this plan to benefit the public and the enterprises and build a collaborative and efficient digital government for Nanning City. Thank you for your listening.